Okay, in this video, we are going to use the percent by volume calculation or formula. And this is just another way of describing concentrations. So typically in chemistry, we use molarity, but with concentrations in like at the store with products that we're purchasing, like isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, we describe the concentration using percentages because a lot of us understand percentages. So remember that the formula for a percentage is just part over whole. And typically we're looking at the solute as the part, and then the whole is the solute plus the solvent, so that it is the entire solution. So I'm gonna write that down. We got the volume of solute over volume of solution times 100 is the formula, which is the same thing as saying the volume of the solute over the volume of the solute plus the volume of the solution times 100. Okay, so I read my problem. It says I have 40 milliliters of C6H5CH3 that is put into 75 milliliters of C6H6. What is the percent volume of the C6H5CH3? So I'm going to put the volume of the C6H5CH3 on top, and then I'm going to take both components and add them together for the bottom and then multiply by 100. So we have 40 milliliters divided by 40 milliliters plus 75 milliliters times 100. We're going to keep 3 sig figs in our answer because there's 3 sig figs in each of our measurements. So 40 divided by 40 plus 75, and then times 100, we get 34.8%. All right, so percent volume is just another way to describe our concentration.